Welcome back to 91 Gearbox, the channel where we dive into the most exciting cars on the planet. And today we're taking a closer look at a machine that blends style, technology, and performance into one stunning package, the Audi A5. This car isn't just transportation, it's a statement of what modern German engineering can deliver when elegance meets power. The moment you see the Audi A5, you realize it's designed to turn heads without even trying. Its sleek, sculpted lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights give it a presence that feels both classy and sporty. Whether you're looking at the coupe, sportback, or cabriolet, the A5 has a design language that sets it apart from anything else in its category. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you admire every time you walk up to it. Under the hood, the Audi A5 brings the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. You get Audi's legendary TFSI engines, delivering smooth power and quick acceleration, with options ranging from the refined 2.0-liter turbocharged engine to even more powerful variants in some markets. The A5 offers strong performance while still being surprisingly fuel. Pair that with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, and you're getting insane grip, confidence in all road conditions, and a driving experience that feels controlled, planted, and thrilling at every turn. Step inside, and the cabin instantly reminds you why Audi is known for some of the best interiors in the world. You're greeted by premium materials, flawless fit and finish, and a minimalist design that feels modern yet luxurious. The virtual cockpit, with its crystal-clear digital display, gives you all the information you need right in front of you. The infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and loaded with features including navigation, wireless connectivity, and high-quality audio options that make every ride feel special. Comfort is where the A5 really shines. The seats are supportive for long drives. Road noise is almost non-existent, and the suspension strikes the perfect balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort, whether you're pushing it on the highway or cruising through the city. The A5 feels composed, refined, and effortlessly smooth. Safety and tech features take things even further, with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking sensors, and emergency braking. Audi packs the A5 with smart technology that not only enhances convenience, but also provides peace of mind for every drive. Overall, the Audi A5 is more than just a luxury car. It's a complete experience. It's for drivers who want style, performance, comfort, and technology in one beautifully engineered package. If you're looking for a car that delivers premium vibes without shouting too loud, the Audi A5 stands tall as one of the best options in its segment. This is 91 Gearbox, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into the Audi A5, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.